Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today we're going to be talking about how to use your Alexa app in the car. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. If you watch my videos, you know that I am all about technology. I love gadgets. Now, if you still do not have an Amazon device like an Echo or a Dot, you don't know what you're missing. It's going to make your life so much easier. So now there's another device that you can use with Alexa in your car. I'm going to be linking everything below, so don't worry. If you like what you see, you can go ahead and you can get it from the links below. But in the meantime, let me show you what I have. I'm going to be showing you this Roav by Ankar Viva, and this is great. You connect it in your charger in the car, in the cigarette charger. Who uses that for cigarettes anyways? And then you can have Alexa accompanying you in the car. Let's continue. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and the reason I'm going to show you this is because the box is important to me, because this is a perfect gift for somebody. It's the kind of thing people usually don't buy for themselves because they think that they're spoiling themselves too much, and people don't like to spoil themselves. This is the perfect gift. So the box is really nice. It looks like one of those expensive cell phone boxes, and voila, look, that's what you get. You get the device here, which I'm going to show you later. It's a nice sturdy device. The box is super high quality, and that's important for me. I'm into high quality packaging because you deserve it. And then you get these, which are also very important. Why? Because how many instruction manuals have you gotten that make no sense whatsoever? This instruction manual is so easy to read, and it is so easy to follow. They could have made it a little bigger for the print for, people my age that can't read it. And look at this, how cute. These little cards that are in this little sleeve tell you, what it does, and it tells you thank you, and it tells you different apps that are supported by the A person, which I'm not going to say her name because then she's going to get into the conversation. So you can have the Amazon Music, you can listen to Pandora, TuneIn, Sirius XM, iHeartRadio, Spotify, all of these things. And, you can make, okay, let me just read the cards. You can make phone calls. You can just say her name and tell her to call somebody. I'm going to show you how all of this works. I'm going to go into the car and I'm going to show you how it all works. You can have her call 911. So if you're in an accident, how cool is that, that you can have her call 911? That's super, super cool. You can have her navigate for you. She'll open Google Maps and she'll take you to where you need to go. You can have her put things on your list. You can have her set up reminders. I mean, let me show you all of the things that it does. Okay, let's go to my car. I am in my car, and now I'm going to show you how I install this little device. It's pretty sturdy. It fits pretty well, but it does crash into something. I'm going to show you in a second, but before I put it in, I wanted to have you look at the device. This is the light around the device. It always stays on. Can you see that? And over here, right underneath, you have 2 ports for charging your phone, which is great. You don't lose the access to be able to charge your phone because you're using the cigarette holder thing. I don't know what it's called. All right, let me show you what happens when I put it in. All right. Okay, so this crashes a little bit with this, but not enough so that it doesn't fit. So I kind of maneuver it, lift it up, and I put it in. I wish I knew how to take that off. I'm going to try and find out how I can take that off because I'm sure it's not a good thing. So that's how it fits in. If you were to press and hold this, it would mute it so that it won't listen to you and perhaps misunderstand and think you're using the call name, which is Alexa. So It is now connected via Bluetooth to my phone. I'm going to go ahead and turn my car on, and it'll tell me that it is connected. See how the light goes on? And in a little while, it says up on my phone, it's on my car, it's telling me it's getting connected. See, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. There you go. So at this point, it is connected. So I can...
Welcome to Smart Driving.
See how it says, welcome to Smart Driving? That's it telling me that it is connected. So now I can do anything I want that I would do in my regular Alexa. For example, I could say, Alexa, what day is it?
It's Sunday, January 13th.
Okay, Alexa, what is on my list? Sometimes it doesn't hear me. Alexa, what's on my list?
Service is not available. Please try again later.
See how it's going like that? It's not, This works with your phone. It's basically connecting to your phone app, and the connectivity is as good as your phone connection is. So it's very important that you have good internet connection on your phone. Let me try it again and ask, Alexa, what's on my list?
You have 7 items on your shopping list. Here are the 5 most recent.
Alexa, stop.
Turn this remover.
Alexa,
trash bags.
stop.
Flatware. And $15
Alexa,
at
stop.
Kmart. Would you like to hear your last 2 items?
Alexa, stop. Okay, so you see what happened? Sometimes you have to shout at it because it just does not listen. So it does have that problem often. You ask it to do something and then you want it to stop and it just keeps doing it. It is so stubborn, that lady. The uses for this is just incredible. I am in my car a lot. So imagine that you're driving and then you say, oh, I have to buy milk. And then you can tell it to put milk on your list. And then when you get to your grocery, you just look at your list and you have everything there. Or what if you have to put an event on your calendar? You do the same thing. Or a reminder, you do the same thing. Or you call somebody. I'm going to show you how I call. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at it. Oh my gosh, this is like so hard to video in the car. All right, let's see how it works. All right, now I'm going to try to call somebody so that you can see how it works. Alexa, call AAA Mama. Okay, now that's the way I have my mother on my contact list. So let's see what happens. You can see that there's a delay already. It's very slow in connecting. I don't know why. But the sound is very good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hang up because she's not going to know what's going on. So I'm just going to hang up. But basically that's it with regards to making phone calls. I had to come back to the house because it's super hot outside and I'm in the car and it's like I'm stuck in the car sweating. So I wanted to show you that it is very easy to connect it to your Alexa app, and it syncs all of the information. So you can listen to your music. Let's say you have an Amazon Prime account, and the Amazon Prime account music is just great. So it'll play everything in the car that you've been playing at home. You just say, play Beethoven, and it'll play Beethoven. So it'll pick it up from your Amazon Prime music, which is great. When you open your Alexa app, you go to the one that says home, and you'll see all of your devices that are connected, and there you'll see your car charger, Roav. I don't know how do you pronounce that. Roav. I'm gonna say Roav, it's easier to pronounce. And it's offline because I'm not in the car. That means that whenever you want to do an update, you have to be in the car and it has to be connected, it has to be on so that you can do an update, okay? So you can click that and you'll see all of the information. You'll also see your address. So I'm going to cover my address, but you'll see all of the information, and you can do setup functions here. For example, I have mine to do the follow-up mode, and of course I have mine on Fahrenheit because that's what we use here in the United States. So you also can have it to keep your location so that if you're driving, you can use your Google Maps much easier. Now I'm going to show you their app. You open up their app and right away they're going to tell you that you need to get in your car to connect. But it's a really, really good app because one of the things that they do offer is that you can actually chat with Roav and they'll give you assistance. So that's really great customer service. You can choose different settings. For example, let me go over here to audio output. You can choose whether it's going to be connected through Bluetooth, or if you're going to connect it through the audio, or if you're going to connect it through a USB cable. So that gives you a lot of options to connect, which I think is fabulous. I have Bluetooth in my car, but what if you don't? Then you can go ahead and just wire it in. Basically, I think this is a great app. I think this is a great device to have. It has a lot of functionality. It makes my life a lot easier. I have a lot going on and I'm in the car often. I can just shoot events onto my calendar because it's synced with my Google Calendar. I can shoot reminders that'll sound alarms throughout the day and let me know that something is happening soon or will be happening that I need to tend to. It'll put things on my grocery list. It will, I mean, you can even purchase things as you're driving because it's connected to Amazon. So you could ask it to repurchase detergent because you're out. You can play specific soundtracks from Amazon Music Prime if you have that. And by the way, you should have Prime at this point. At this stage of the game, you should have Prime. It makes a fabulous gift. It's just full of functionality. It's so efficient. I am going to go ahead and put all of the information below for you so you could purchase one if you're interested. Let me know if you did purchase one and how you're using it. I hope that you love it as much as I love it. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe, but more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy.
Action.